It's almost that time of the year again that we worry too much over what we are going to be adding in our children lunch boxes. And Lady C is here to help you out. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another interesting one, so let's begin. I start by adding instant yeast in a bowl. To that I move in with sugar and warm milk. You can substitute the warm milk with warm water. I added a cup of vanilla flavor mix to combine very well. Once that is done, at this point you can add eggs if you wish, but remember to reduce the quantity of your liquid. All right, it is time to move in with the flour. Always sift the flour before making use of it. All right, once that is done, I added some salt, moving with my fingers and start mixing till everything is well combined. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, or a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, I continue to mix. Now I transfer the dough to the work surface. I added some butter. You can also add margarine as well. Continue mixing and kneading. At this point, I noticed that the dough is a little bit sticky, so I added some flour. Continue mixing and kneading till I have a smooth dough, just like this one. So cute. Now I'm going to transfer the dough back into the mixing bowl, cover and keep anywhere warm around my home to prove. Remember to check the description box for the list of the ingredients and their measurement. 30 minutes later, voila! Look what we have. It has doubled in size at this point. I'm going to chop knuckle with that dough, transfer the dough back to the work surface, all right? I'm going to knead for a few seconds just to take out the air in it. Now I'm going to divide into 2 equal parts. Once that is done, I am going to set one aside and start working with the other half. But before then, I will dust the work surface with some flour, place the dough, arrange the dough in a way that it will be easier for you to roll, moving with the rolling pin and start rolling to flatten the dough. A beautiful shout out to you, Christy, watching from Texas, US. Oni from Abuja. Nosroot, watching from Liberia, and Gabby, all the way from Mexico. Whoops! Aww. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? Alright, I continue to roll till I come to a flat dough just like this one. It shouldn't be too flat, alright? About 2 to 3 cm is okay. Now I am going to shape the 4 corners of the dough in order to have a perfect rectangular shape. At this point, go ahead and divide the dough in your preferred sizes. That is exactly what is going on here, all right? Okay, after cutting into your desired sizes, it is time to take the dough to another level. Cameraman, get closer, please. This is the most important part of this recipe. Pick up one of the cut out dough, make a slight cut to form a trouser. Yes, this looks like a trouser, or isn't it? Pick up another one and make another slight cut, just like we did to the first one, all right? Now we have 2 trousers in the building. If you are with me at this moment, type 2 trousers. Okay, now place one of the trousers on the work surface. Now get the second one, turn it upside down. Please pay attention, all right? Once that is done, arrange properly for both of them to be in the same size, all right? Now you are going to pull it and stretch it. It is stretchable at this moment, as you can see, because of the yeast. Now you are going to flip it over. Pay attention, please. Watch what I'm doing here. It's very simple. You can do it, all right? Anyone can do this. It's very simple, all right? Once you flip it, you will have this shape, all right? Go ahead and repeat the same process with the other ones. You can repeat the video to see what I did, okay? Now, go ahead and arrange in an open pan, just like this one, okay? Once that is done, you should have these cuties. Now you are going to cover and allow to proof for the second time. 30 minutes later, voila, it has doubled in size again. At this point, you can bake. You can even brush with a beaten egg before baking, but I'm going to fry. Gently lay the boys in a deep, hot, moderate oil. No too much heat, please. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means that you're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. After dropping into the hot moderate oil, allow to cook for about 4 minutes, all right, on low heat, okay? Then go ahead and flip the other side to cook as well. You can see that the oil is not bubbling too much. Please don't use too much heat so that it will cook properly, okay? I'm going to flip one more time just to make sure that it is properly cooked. Fry according to your preference, or once they are golden brown like so, they are ready. Take the boys out of the hot oil. And here we are. Look at that. The boys are boysing. I love it. Just look at that. At this point, you can go ahead and enjoy just the way it is, but I decided to sprinkle some sugar powder just to give it more appetizing look. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It turned out so well. I love it. Serve and enjoy. Look at that. I love the boys. The boys were so obedient. I love it. They came out so well. Very soft, super yummy and delicious. All right. Try it and get back to me as usual. It was delish, trust me. I open it and this is what the inside looks like. Now you can go ahead and package in any form that you prefer. This recipe is not meant for lunchbox idea only. No, adults can share from this. You can make this at your home, use it as a breakfast or as a snack. You can also gift someone this and they will appreciate it. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Thanks for watching. Bye.